Okay, we're working on a Volvo S60 T8 all-wheel drive. What is it? Recharge. And the problem we're having is the door panel is pretty self-explanatory. I'm sure there's a lot of guys who can show you. If not, I'll show you tomorrow. But today I'm working on the handle. Now this is a tricky handle. I didn't even check if there's any videos on YouTube or not. Okay, so just like rest of the cars, it's got my glasses on. I think this is a what is a T. Anyways, I can see it kind of worn off. So this is I'll put it in the description. So when regularly with other cars, you just unscrew it, pop this out, okay, and pop this out and pull it back and out. This one is kind of tricky. So the way I did it, let's come on. The way I did it is hold it out. While you're holding it out, you tighten it. Tighten until you'll feel getting it loose. Okay, that's when let's see, how did we do it the first time around? There's that sweet spot that you gotta get to. No.
It's okay.
Doesn't go anymore. No, this is too much. There we go. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I guess we have to get that sweet spot. So like this, it works, and then pull it out. While you're pulling it out, just unscrew it. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. While you're pulling it out, you gotta unscrew it. And
Zeg bijvoorbeeld de paarden.
I should come out with it. Yeah. Cincha pasta.
Ora. Adik de süt şu.
Huh? Okay.
Neyse. Bir hangi
Pause
tuz? Bir hangi tuz ka?
Okay, so this is out. And now we're trying to get that front piece. Avanca değil mi?
Var neşik.
Sure. Okay, so this is where the trick is.
Ha ne var mı? Ne var mı?
By Eris by. Okay. This is where the trick is. I don't know if it's visible here. Make you very fun. Very fun, right there. This is what's holding it.
Ne var mı Martu?
The chair var.
Bir de çeyre var. Kedi çeyre var. Kedi var.
Right there. Bye. Lucy bye, do. Lucy bye, too. Right there. This is where the problem is. So after you pull it out, you need to push back in and right there. And take it out. All right. Here what it looks like. Okay.